Hi folks, Doug Jones here at Danley Sound Labs. We are releasing Direct 2.3, and there are some significant changes that you should know about. We have heard from some of you that the levels you are measuring in the field do not match what Direct predicts. So the first and probably most important change is the new level display we call expected levels. Now, it's important to note that if you measure our products exactly the same way that we do, with the same source material and the same instrumentation under the same conditions, you will see peak numbers that match ours, or it sometimes may even exceed what we show on our spec sheets and in Direct. However, we realize that the average integrator will not be measuring the same way that we are, and the source material will likely be different, as well as the conditions and the instrumentation used. Besides, peak level is probably not the most useful number to use when laying out a sound system. So we decided to play it safe and display what we feel is the best real-world level that most of you can expect to see when you measure our speakers. Direct now defaults to this expected levels display, which is about 15 dB below peak. Peak level is still there if you wish to use it. This is another move by the engineers at Danley to make sure that Direct presents you with information that will best help you plan your sound system. The next feature is one I believe that you'll really like. There's a new tool under the tool menu. It's called the Price tool. So as you add speakers to your design, the Price tool will show you the MSRP of each speaker in your project and the total price for your design. Remember, you can store different designs in the same Direct file by using the Layers feature. So by pulling up different layers, you can see the cost for different designs. The Price tool has a handy amplifier calculator as well. Another new feature is under the menu that pops up when you're mousing over the map window and you right-click. It's called Show Frequency Toggle. This places the frequency of the map in a box right at the top of the map so that when you capture the map to report, the frequency value is captured as well. Also, under the Layers tab, you'll see that you now can select all the loudspeakers in a given layer. This is very useful if you want to change all the speakers in a layer or make a change that affects all of them. Simply use the Do to Selected tool. In the Do to Selected tool, there's now a total weight button. So if you want to know the total weight of a cluster or of a group of speakers, this is a convenient way to get that information. Finally, Release 2.3 fixes a number of bugs and also adjusts the loudspeaker list to reflect our current catalog. As always, thank you for your support of Danley Sound Labs and for using Direct. Until next time, I'm Doug Jones.